Hello guys, welcome back to the channel. Hope you are doing well and fine, and in today's video I'll be showing you how to fix copyright music on Facebook. So without wasting any time, let's just jump right on the video and make sure to watch this video till the end and follow the steps as well. Now in order to fix the issue that you are having, first what you need to do is open up your Facebook app, and once you're here, type in the menu icon on the bottom right corner of the screen, and once you're here, scroll down and then tap on help and support, and then tap on support inbox. And once you tap on it, here tap on your alerts. Here, as you can see, there are no violations on my Facebook, but if you are facing a violation, then what you can do is just simply select the violation that you want to remove. And once you select that, on the bottom of the page you'll see option on the blue box saying see details. Simply click on it or tap on it, and once you tap on it, scroll down, and then on the bottom of the page you'll have an option that says continue. Tap on continue by reading all the details given to you. Once you have done with that, again the next page will ask you how does copyright work, and then all you gotta do is tap on continue. And once you tap on continue again, you'll be asked how to make sure your content doesn't violate copyright law. Then tap on continue once again, and now once you tap on continue, the next page will show you what would you like to do regarding your violation. Either you can accept changes, submit dispute, or remove video. Now you can choose what you want to do, and once you do that, select the option and then tap on continue. And once you do that, you will be asked the following process. Simply complete it, and once you have done with the process, your copyright will be removed from your Facebook. And that's basically how you can do it. And that's it for today's video guys. Hope this video was useful to you. Leave a like if you did, comment down below what the next video should be on, consider subbing to the channel. Thank you for watching. Bye bye.